Um, Today's date is the 20th of July 2023, and I want to talk today to you about best value. Okay, I'm going to say this up front for the next few videos. Okay, there are times I want to say maybe £5.20, and I'll say £5, or maybe a value like 43 pence, and I'll say 4 pence or 4p. Okay, please go at that moment, go by what is on the script. Okay, because what I have said might just be because I'm trying to finish what the notes, my lesson for the day. Okay, so if I catch myself making that error, I will say pardon me and say the right one. But assuming I don't say that in the video, if you are watching it, make sure what is on the script is the right one. Okay, and I want to thank all the people who are watching my videos. It's quite encouraging. Okay, but don't just watch, you can also subscribe, you can also like it. And if you like the way I make the video, you can give me some comments as well. Okay, thank you very much as well. It's going to be summer holiday soon, and as a mom, I know how difficult it is keeping the children at home. So I've done percentage increase, percentage decrease. Okay, today I just want to chip in something little called best value. Okay, so, or best buy. Okay, so how you can make your pennies go a little bit further for you. Okay, so that's because if the kids are home with you, you are going to be responsible for their 3 meals, and when they are home, they eat more than when they go to school. It's funny, but it's true. Okay, so instead of moaning about stuff, you can be a bit savvy when you go to the shops. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the way you can calculate stuff. At times, there are a lot of supermarkets. Maybe there is sale on stationery in one shop, and there is sale on food in one shop. So it's not wise for you to just enter one shop and say that I want to do my whole shopping there. If the other shop is not far from you and you have looked at the internet prices and you can get there, then it's better to maybe buy a few items that are cheaper in one shop and go to another shop and buy the rest. Okay, so I'm just going to show you some of the things you can do in your calculations to get to just make sure that you are buying the best value. Okay, so our question 1 today is: a pack of 12 pence in a shop costs £5.20. Our kids will be going back in September. If you wait till September to buy your pens, it will be expensive. So it's better if there is sale, or you can get they'll say the one that you still buy for them and it's cheaper, then it's better to buy it now. Okay, so there is a shop that has a pack of 12 pence for £5.20. The same type of pens is in another shop. 25 cost £8. A third shop has a pack of 18 pens for £7.20. Okay, so which one are you going to buy? Okay, some people don't mind. They enter a shop and then they just pick all the items they want, and then they go to the till and pay for it. Okay, but at times it gets good to shop around or ask neighbors, oh, did you go to this shop? How much is this? Or you can go to their online shop and check the prices and compare. It might not be economical to just go there for that one thing unless you want the bulk of it. Okay, but it will be very economical if maybe you want pens and you want A4 paper and maybe lined paper, rulers, and you can get it cheaper elsewhere than another supermarket. So in that case, you can go and buy breakfast stuff in one supermarket for the week and then go to the shop that you think they are selling a cheaper item and buy another set of items that is cheaper and that can fit your budget. I hope you get what I mean. So this is what is called best value. It's still maths, so I thought I would share it with you before we continue our journey. Okay, so now shop 1, 12 pence is £5.20. Here today we are going to use the calculator. Okay, so what it means is, if 12 pence is £5.20, to find the value of 1, you divide £5.20 by 12, which I've written on the side. So that will give you 43 pence to 2 decimal places. Okay. Shop 2, 24 pence, £8. So £1 again will be £8 divided by 24. So a pen there will be 33 pence, 2 decimal places. Shop 3, 18 pence equals £7.20. So £7.20 divided by 18. All this I'm doing it on the calculator. All the modern phones have calculators. Okay, so the better you learn how to use it, the it will be good for you. But if you are going to write a GCSE, you need the right recommended calculator. I think it's Casio or something. You can find out, okay, from online or from wherever you take your lessons. Or one of these days I'll find mine and show it to you. Okay, so £12.20 over 18. Okay, so 1 pen will be 4p. So now shop 1 is 43p. Shop 2 is 33p per pen. Shop 3 is 4p. So if they are of the same brand and of the same quality, then it's good to go for 33p shop 2. The 24 for £8, which is 33p per pen. But at times it might be the shop brand, okay, and some of them explode. So if you are not sure they are the same brand, here I'm assuming it is the same big pen like the one I'm using here, okay, so I'm assuming it's the same pen. So I'll rather go for the one in shop 2, 24 pens for £8, because you are looking for the whole next year. So even if you have 2 kids or 3, then 24 at £8 is a lot cheaper for you. Okay, that is the first question. Question number 2 is also colored pencils. They are home, so you don't want to keep them in front of TV for the 6 weeks. You might want them to do some coloring, and you might want them to just do some painting and stuff. Okay, so here is another question that you might want to look at. Okay, so a set of 24 colored pencils cost £4.60 at shop 1. 30 colored pencils cost £4.76 at shop 2. 18 colored pencil cost £4.05 at shop 3. So all these are colored pencils. You'll be tempted to go to shop 1 and maybe buy a cheaper bag of rice and then see £4.60 and say, well, I don't want the hassle. Okay, but you can just buy the things that are cheaper in shop 1, which you might need at home, and then maybe go to shop 2. Now you know that shop 2 has cheaper pens, and it's possible maybe because they have cheaper pens, they might have cheaper A4 paper, cheaper like highlighters, and things like rulers and pencil cases that you might need for September for your children. So it's wise to go there and have a look around, take the prices from shop 1, go to shop 2, look around and see if you can make some extra pennies, so that you can use it to budget somewhere else. Okay, so now let's go on with the question. So shop 1, 24 colored pencil, £4.60. So if I divide £4.60 by 24, one colored pencil is 19p to 2 decimal places. Okay, shop 2, 30 colored pencil again, £4.76. So one colored pencil is £4.76 over 30, which is 16 pence, 2 decimal places again. Shop 3, 18 for £4.05. So one of them, 405, is 405 pence, please. 405 divided by 18 will be 23 pence. So look at the difference. If you look at the unit price, that is 19 pence, that is 16 pence, and that is 23 pence. If you don't do this calculation, you will know. So if you between 16 pence and 23 pence, you have a difference of 7 pence for one colored pencil, okay, which can help you buy 2 extra. So even if you buy 2 packets of 30 colored pens, it can help you through the summer 6 weeks holidays, and maybe an extra one for school when they start in September. So the cheapest will be 30 colored pencils at $4.76, okay, in shop 2. So now we can see that a shop 2 has cheap pens and colored pencils. So it will be worth the journey if you go into shop 2 having this knowledge to get those items. Okay, now let's go to another one. So here, question 3, 2 liters of milk in a shop cost in shop 1 costs £1.09. 1 liter of milk in shop 2 costs 67 pence. 5 liters of milk in shop 3 costs £2.30. Remember, these prices is made up, okay, but I'm just showing you how you can look and be a bit savvy to make your money go a little bit extra, okay. So which one is better value for a family of 6? Okay, here we know it's a family of 6, therefore maybe breakfast they might need a lot of milk intake. So the best thing is to say maybe I'm going with shop 3 to get the 5 liters, but we haven't calculated how much it costs per liter. Okay, so now let's look at the shop 1. 2 liters is £1.09. Therefore 4 liters will be twice that, which will be times 2. So 4 liters will be £2.18. 1 liter again will be half of 2 liters, okay, which is a half of £1.09. Okay, and it will be 55p. So 5 liters will be 4 liters, add 1 liter. So £2.18 add 55 pence, which is, when you add them on the calculator, which is 273 liters. So if I buy 2 liters, 5 liters from shop 1, this is how much it will cost. But the truth is, I can't get 5 liters, so I can just buy 2 of 2 liters. Okay, but this is how much 5 liters will cost. Now we are assuming that the expiry date for the milk in all the 3 shops are the same. Okay, so it doesn't mean that one would spoil if they all have the same expiry date. Then it means that maybe they might have a week to expire. So if everybody in the family of 6 would need breakfast, then the 5 liters can go very quick for a family of 6, okay, because they are home. So maybe they might want some milk for lunch and some milk for dinner as well. Okay, shop 2, 1 liter of milk, that's what they have, is 67p. So to get the price for 5 liter, we multiply by 5, and when you multiply 67 pence times 5, you are going to get £3.35. Shop 3, if they will already know how much 5 liters cost, £2.30, maybe because of the packaging, and it's just one package, it is a lot cheaper. But we are assuming all of them will have the same expiry date. So shop 1, 5 liters will cost us £2.73. Shop 2, £3.35. Shop 3, 5 liters will cost us £2.30. As long as they are the same brand and your family like all the milk, so that you are not going to buy something and bring home and they will refuse not to take, okay, that it might be gatsby, then you pour it away, then it's better to go for the one in shop 3, because that is the cheapest. So shop 3 here is better value, okay, with all the assumptions we've made. Shop 3 will cost £2.30. So here I would maybe get my color pencils from shop 2 and colored pen from shop 2. But when it comes to milk, I will have to go to shop 3 to get that milk. I wouldn't get my milk from shop 2, okay, because I'll get 5 liters for £2.30, and shop 2's 5 liter will cost me £3.35, which is £1.05 savings, which can buy something else. Okay. Question 4. A pack of crepes, oh my god, children love crepes a lot, costs £4.99 in shop 1. Okay. Pack of 6 crepes costs £1.32 in shop 2. Pack of 12 crepes costs £2.50 in shop 3. So here 3 shop 1, shop 2, shop 3. Now, which one is better value for a family of 4? Okay, so shop 1, 24 pack, £4.99, nearly £5. Shop 2, they don't have the 24 pack, but they have the 6 pack, £1.32. So if I want to calculate how much 24 crepes will cost, it will be 4 times that, £1.32. If you put it on your calculator, you will get £5.28. Okay, so it is like 29p more. Shop 3 here is 12 crepes will cost £2.50. So 2 times 24, 2 times 12 will give me £2.50 times 2, which is £5. Okay, so here shop 1 is costing £4.91. Shop 1, 24 crepes, £4.99. Shop 2, 58p, 24 crepes, £5.28, which is about 29p more. Shop 3, 24 crepes, £5. So ideally, Shop 1, a pack of 24, 4.99 is best value. But here again, if I have either items to pick, okay, in shop 1 that is cheaper than shop 2 and shop 1, then it's better to do the journey, because we don't know how far it is from where your home is. But if it's just because of 1p that you have to travel all the way to shop 1, where in shop 3 you can buy other things cheaper than shop 1, then there is no point, because they're just saving 1p. But from the information we've been given on paper, if I travel to shop 1 and I'm picking a lot of stuff, then I'll rather go for their crepes, which is 4.99. At least that 1p can be added to something else to pay for the overall shopping. Because if you look at it per item, then it's not worth it. But if you are going to pick 10 items, then in the end, the 1p off might be worth it, because you might end up saving elsewhere. Okay, so because we've been doing a lot of calculator work, I wanted to come and share this with you. And even it's not just moms, young adult as well, student as well. You go into a shop, or people, workers, you go into a shop because it's nearby, you just pick stuff, okay? But you can try and find the unit price and see which one is cheaper, and maybe go to that shop and get what you need, than go to the one closer to your workplace or the one home. Because maybe if you can walk and you don't have any health issues, or you can drive there, even driving there with the children at home might give you a bit of break, so that you can take them off the TV screens and take them out for fresh air. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you today. Okay, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next lesson.